Hi guys, so we're going to make the most beautiful slow cooked meat dish. It's an Italian dish called Stracotto. It's a 2-in-1. You get a wonderful main course meat and then you get the pasta sauce that you would never believe. This is the cast iron range. This is a pan for life. It really is beautiful. It's as beautiful to cook in as to serve in. First up, we'll season this beautiful piece of beef. Then let's get some oil in a pan and let's get some colour happening. Colour at this stage is going to sear the meat. So while that's searing off, we just want to roughly chop the veggies. So this is what the Italians would call a soffritto. You're really using the vegetables to stretch the meat a long, long way. Look at that. So let's take the meat out now. And then all that lovely goodness is in the pan. So we'll go straight in with the soffritto. Turn the heat to about medium high. I'm going to come and give this a stir for about 10-15 minutes until it's sweet and really soft and delicious. Now look, have a look in the bottom of the pan now. You can see the caramelization starting to happen. We'll deglaze now with some beautiful red wine, a couple of spoons of tomato puree, 1.5 litres of beef stock, and then you want to add back in the meat. Grab sage, big old bunch, rosemary, like mean it. Get some string and tie it up, submerge that, okay? And then if we put the lid on, right, and look at the lid, see these little knobbly bits here? This helps the steam from here come up here and then drip down, and it kind of self-bastes the meat. And a little bit of that steam will escape, and that means the sauce will cook down and intensify. So you're gonna get amazing sauce and you're gonna get really tender meat. I'm gonna go about 3¼ hours on a medium-low heat. I'll come back then and show you exactly what I'm gonna do next. Let's have a little look. It smells incredible. So let's just serve it up. Just take the meat out and serve just a little bit of the juice. So that's our main course part. Throw my pasta in the water. And then while that pasta's just finishing, you can steal a little bit of parsley, drain the pasta, and then into that sauce. In with some parsley. We can then go in with the Parmesan and just gently fold the pasta over and let's serve it up. Food that you want to share using humble ingredients, all those vegetables, that cheap cut of meat, and nothing's going to go to waste. Wow, yes! Look how juicy that is. Straight back to Tuscany. Wowzers, have a go at that. 2 beautiful dishes with a little help from my cast iron cookware from Tefal. If you're interested in that, swipe up or click the link and enjoy.